Let's take a look at our dining table. It's just plastic, and plastic containers all over the place. We all know the harmful effects of plastic on our health. But what's the solution? Introducing Agrileaf's Takeaway Bowls. An award-winning product from Zomato's plastic-free Future Packathon. When the food is natural, why can't your container? This bowl made from natural areca palm leaves, a patented solution you've been waiting for. It's 100% plastic-free and TUV certified food safe. The perfect compostable eco-friendly choice. Comes straight from the farmers to your dining table. Designed to handle all kinds of foods.
Now the customers are denying the food in plastic containers while ordering. Hence we are using Agrileaf's takeaway bowls. Now it's helping us retain those customers.
Yes, you heard it right. It's easy to pack, easier to deliver, and healthiest to eat the food of your choice without losing the freshness or the aroma of it. We could is an option. We should is a revolution. Together, let's proudly say no to plastic. With Agrileaf's takeaway bowls, we are what we eat.